The pigeon finds a hot dog. Flap, flap, flap. Ooh, a hot dog. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ah, may I help you? Is that a hot dog? No, not a hot dog. My hot dog. Ah, I have a question. I've never had a hot dog before. What do they taste like? Well, they are a taste sensation. Each morsel is a joy, a celebration in a bun. If you've never experienced the splendor of a hot dog, you should really... Wait a second. This hot dog is mine. I found it. Of course, enjoy. Go ahead. Would you say that it tastes like chicken? Can you believe this guy? What? It just tastes like a hot dog, okay? Okay. So, it doesn't taste like chicken then? Oh, for Pete's sake. Hey, I'm a curious bird. That's it. It's my hot dog, right? Mine. I'm a curious bird. What do they taste like? Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, right. This is unbelievable. Finders keepers is what I say. I can't take it anymore. What am I supposed to do? I think I've got an idea. You know, you're pretty smart for a duckling. Needs mustard. Little Hoot. Once upon a branch, there was a fellow named Little Hoot. Little Hoot was a happy little owl. He liked going to school. He liked playing hide and seek with his forest friends. He even liked it when Mama Owl said it was practice time. Time to practice pondering, sweetie. Okay, now practice your staring. Staring right, staring left, staring right. But there was one thing Little Hoot did not like. Bedtime. Because when you're an owl, you have to just stay up late. That's just the way it is. All my other friends get to go to bed so much earlier than me. Why do I always have to stay up and play? It's not fair. If you want to grow up to be a wise owl, you must stay up late, said Papa Owl. And besides, I don't give a hoot what time your friends go to bed. In this family, we go to bed late. Rules of the roost. Stay up and play for 1 more hour, and then you can go to sleep, Mama Owl compromised. 1 whole hour, he boo-hooed. 1 whole hour, she cooed. So off he went. When I grow up, I'm going to let my kids go to bed as early as they want. He played swords. He played on the jungle gym. He built a fort. He jumped in the leaves. He jumped on the bed. Can I stop playing now? Pleaded Little Hoot. 10 more minutes of playing, mister, and please don't ask me again. All right, the young owl scowled. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, 10 minutes. There, I played for 1 whole hour. Now can I go to bed? Yes. Now you can go to bed, but hoo, bedtime. And Little Hoot flew right into bed. But wait, stalled Mama Owl. What about a bedtime story? And don't forget a glass of water, added Papa Owl. But it was too late. Little Hoot was already fast asleep. Snooze, snore, drool. So they tucked in his feathers, gave him a peck on the cheek, and the owl lived happily ever after.